Falls are a serious concern for elderly people. Did you know that 1 in 3 adults aged 65 and older experiences a fall each year? Falls can lead to severe injuries and even death, and they often result in a fear of falling again. This fear can limit their activities, making them more vulnerable to future falls. Falls are not just a physical issue, they also have a significant psychological impact, causing fear and reducing mobility, which can lead to more falls. While exercise programs can reduce falls by up to 55%, accessing these programs can be challenging due to barriers like transportation, scheduling conflicts, and environmental factors. But imagine a solution that brings fall prevention directly to those who need it most, a wearable sensor with artificial intelligence. This innovative device monitors your movements and balance in real time using advanced sensors. It detects when your line of gravity moves outside your base of support, a common sign of potential falls. If a risk is detected, the device immediately provides feedback, whether it's a gentle vibration, a visual alert, or an audible warning, to help you adjust and avoid falling. This real-time feedback helps you make quick adjustments, improving your balance and reducing the risk of falls. By making fall prevention accessible and personalized, this technology empowers elderly people to stay active and safe, enhancing their quality of life.